that are not so good for school. Definitely a snapper. Listen at that. Who wants to hear that in the middle of class? Even though I love these push pops and they are one of my absolute favorite fidgets, these are not really recommended for school because if they fall, they're very loud. And of course, the pops are satisfying, but they may interrupt someone. So we have to leave those at home. Now, of course, the squish ball. This one is nice and small and very compact, can fit in your pocket or book bag. But if it pops, man, that would be a big mess. You may get in trouble. So it's best just to keep these little squish balls at home.
Buscando Fidget Toys en Target. No saben las ganas que tenía ya de hacerlo. Saluda, mami.
Hola, guapa.
Hola, perito. Un carrito para las compras. Vamos a la sección de juguetes. No sé por qué hablo así, pero bueno, vamos a la sección de juguetes. ¡Tarán! Llegamos. Hola, señora. ¡Qué guapa! Yo quiero ir a la sección de juguetes. ¡Wii! Todavía no puedo ir a la sección de juguetes. Tengo que esperar a mi hermano. Pero miren qué bonitas fundas. Me puse a escapar de mi hermano. Ok, estamos acá, pero creo que esta zona de bebés. Oh, mira qué lindo bebé. ¡Wow! ¡Miren! ¡Stress balls! Uy, esta está medio complicada. Ay, miren, esta cambia raro. Ah, esta está mejor. Esta cambia verde. Y esta cambia azul. Miren estas cositas. ¡Up! Y se queda en mi mano. ¡Ay, lo amo! Me lo voy a llevar. Así que corre, corazón. Sigamos. Después se lo tengo que mostrar a mi mamá a ver si me deja, güey. Espero que me deje. ¡Wow! Miren todos los botes de slime que hay. Kinetic Sands. TikTok. ¿Qué hay por aquí? ¡Ay, abrieron cosas! Oh, ¿qué es esto? Mini Brands. Pero son las nuevas. Creo que estas te traen eso. Igual me lo llevo. Miren, el surprise. Ahí hay más de esas cosas. Sigamos buscando. No sé por qué empecé a hablar así de la nada. Nada. Ay, casi me caigo, güey. Acá no encuentro nada. Hola, no sé hasta dónde me quedé porque estoy borrando cosas porque de la nada se me puso el por 5. Así que nada, eso. Estoy acá siguiendo buscando cosas. Volvimos a la sección de juguetes. Seguimos ahí buscando. Baby Yoda. Hola, Baby Yoda, ¿cómo estás? Sigamos buscando. Yo me acuerdo que ayer o antes de ayer, no me acuerdo bien, había visto acá Pop-Its. Pero dudo que me compre. Creo que está en uno de estos estantes. Ay, buscando. Estaban por estos estantes. Deben estar por atrás de todo esto. No hay nada. Oh, ¿qué es esto? Ah, esto yo siempre los compraba. Sigamos buscando. ¿Qué hace ahí una Monster? Nadie lo sabe. Estoy dando vueltas por todos lados y no encuentro nada más. Hay gente que está jugando Marco Polo. ¡Pop-Its! ¡Oh my God! ¡Miren! Está el Pop-It gigante. Así truena. Truena bastante bien, ¿eh? Me lo llevo. Miren, me compré un cepillo de dientes. Hay que ver si me deja comprar todo eso mi madre. Adivinen qué. Mi mamá no me dejó comprar el Pop-It y la Stress Ball. Bueno, en el hotel le hago de todo.
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share. 3, 2, oh wait. Scooch over a little bit. 3, 2, 1. Who won?
Part 2 of all the fidgets that Psycho Fidget Store sent me. If you want to purchase amazing, awesome quality fidgets, go check the link in my bio, psychofidgetstore.com. Let's get into this. I'm going to start with this because I've never seen it before. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This reminds me of the game Tetris, but in Pop-It form, obviously. I am definitely playing this game with my sister. These are the bigger fidgets. Ooh, a black dimple digits. This is such high quality too. Next is this black Among Us dimple, and of course the pops are obviously amazing. These rainbow Pop-Its are so pretty. This one actually has letters on it. I I definitely recommend these. The colors on this are gorgeous. Let's try the pops. Yes. Dimples. The pops on this one are so soft and easy to push. I love it. And of course, they included the iconic simple dimples. This paw print dimple is so cute. This part doesn't actually pop, but the little toes do. I don't even know what this is. It might be the Hulk or like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, but this is so adorable. Lastly, for this fidget pack, an octopus flip. I love these. These 2 fidget pads. And this really high quality metal infinity cube. Let's open this pack next. There are so many individual packs of these. So you can basically slide them in and connect them and make a super long one, and they pop really well. I love the idea of a pop-it puzzle. It's so fun. I'm so excited for these. These are basically like more affordable versions of Globbles. These also glow in the dark. I love the space dimple, and this one is so cool because it has zodiac signs on it. Lastly, we have these poppets. This cheeseburger poppet is so cute. I love it. And it even has little cheeseburgers on it. Then we have this really pretty unicorn blue tie-dye poppet. Pops are obviously amazing. I love the popsicle poppet. And then we have the rainbow hard shell square. And a green octopus flip. Stay tuned for part 3 for me to open all of these fidgets. Hey guys, so Fidgetware is hosting their second giveaway this month. All you have to do to enter is place an order of any size on their website, link in bio, and follow them on TikTok. Every $5 is one entry into their giveaway to possibly win these amazing prizes. The giveaway also ends on July 20th. So these are all the prizes. A green pop tube. An Among Us dimple. A pea popper. A DNA ball. I love these. A Mr. Flip fidget. And lastly, a $20 gift card to their website. These fidgets are so awesome, and again, their shop is linked in my bio. Good luck to everybody that enters!
Hey everyone, I just got my dream tangles in the mail. I saw that Tangle Creations just restocked their Harry Tangles, so of course I bought the 2 ones that were available. Here are the 2 Harry Tangles that I bought. I have wanted these for so long, but they were all sold out for the longest time. But I am so excited to feel these. Let's open this one. Oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. I don't even know how to describe it. First of all, it really is like a tangle. Like I thought it was going to be a lot more stiff, but it's just like so much like to feel, and I love all the texture. This is just amazing. This was totally worth the wait. This is definitely my new favorite tangle. And I'm so happy that I got 2. Let's open this one. I love this one so much. And the color combination of this one, I love so much. It's so vibrant and summery. I highly recommend these so much. Go follow them. Bye, guys.